This is a JobCost.com video tutorial on phase page tabs. In the main cabinet, go to Job Cost, click on Job Phase List, choose an existing job phase. Click on the job next to the phase you wish to go into from the job phase list. Right below the multicolored buttons along the top are page tabs. These page tabs can be customized by an administrator to add, change, or reorder them. These page tabs display grids with information that correspond to your phase without needing to navigate between screens. It allows you to drill into estimates, costs, POs, and revenue directly from the grids. These grids can be searched and sorted in multiple ways. The main tab is the phase record information. Job phase revenue and costs lists all revenue and costs associated with this job phase. Job phase revenue shows all AR revenue associated with this job phase. Job phase labor is all labor costed to this job phase. Job phase AP invoices are accounts payable invoices that are expensed to this job phase. Job phase estimates are any estimates for this job phase. Job phase AR receipts are checks applied to AR invoices associated with this job phase. Job phase AP checks are checks issued for AP invoices associated with this job phase. Job phase transactions show all transaction line items for every journal type associated with this job phase. Job phase inventory are inventory items used on this job phase. Job phase equipment lists all equipment expense to this job phase. Job phase open PO lists any open PO line item for this job associated with this job phase. Job phase PO lists any and all PO line items regardless of fulfillment associated with this job phase. While on any of these page tab screens, use the multicolored buttons below the page tabs. Blue Add is to create a new transaction. Black Excel allows you to export the grid to an Excel file. Black CSV allows you to export the grid to a CSV file. Teal Refresh refreshes the screen after any changes were made. Teal Clear Sorts clears any column sorts used. Teal Clear Filters clears any filters used. Yellow Undo lets you undo any recently entered information or changes prior to saving.